Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 27th of August 2K27. 2K20 sorry 2K21. So our today's video topic is about two keywords which is used in Java. They are super keyword and this keyword. So let us discuss first what we are going to learn in our today's video topic. So first of all, as this keywords is a part of constructor, so we will see what is constructor. Then we will move on to this keyword and super keyword, and after that we will see an example of uh, this keyword and super keyword. So let us start with what is constructor. Constructor is const- constructor is uh, mainly are of two types, that is default constructor and uh, one is parameterized constructor. The constructor are used to assign the to make the uh, inst, local variable to instance variable, so that local variable can get the values which is assigned by the constructor by creating an object of the class. So in this way constructor is used. In constructor, super keyword and this keyword is used. So let us discuss first what is this keyword. So basically this keyword is a reference variable. It is a reference variable which refers to the object of the current class. This is called as uh, this is called as uh, this keyword. So in this keyword refers to the variable of the current class. Means if we give the uh, give the give some values to the variable of the same class, then it refers to that variable. So this is about this keyword. Now super keyword is also a reference variable. It is also a reference variable which refers to the object, which refer to the object of the parent class. Means which is which is which is an extended class. Means as it is a extended class, the inheritance comes in between. So as it uh, as it refers to object of the parent class, the variable which we assign is in the parent class. And uh, super keyword is a reference variable of that object of the parent class. So this is called as super keyword. Now let us take an example of the this keyword and super keyword. So first of all, create a class. In that class, give a variable int a equals to 10. Then uh, create the second class, that is class b, and uh, and first give the create the method in that class. So we will create a method as void show, and we will give the uh, parameter, that is int a. Then we will, in that method we will give int a equals to 10, and in that sys out a. So and we create a main method in which we create an object of class b which extends class a. So as we create an object in main method, we will call show method. So it will give the output as a equals to, and as we will provide the value as it is a parameterized, so it will show the 30, as we will provide 30. Then in class B, if we if if in sysout statement we will give that this dot a, then it will sys out 20, as we have give 20 in that class. And if we in class B, if we give sysout in the method show method, we will give sysout super dot a, then uh, re- it will refer to the value of the class A, that is a equals to, that was a equals to 20, 10. So in on console it will show 10. So this is all about this and super keyword in Java. Thank you.